tired of opening the cabinet and having a pile of mismatched food containers falling out? This 24-piece glass food storage container set is one of those kitchen items that can make things feel way more organized. One of the first things I like is that you get a variety of sizes and shapes in the set because not everything needs the same size container, whether it's leftovers, meal prep, snacks, lunches, sauces, or cut up fruit. There's usually a container that fits what you need. I also really like that these are glass instead of plastic because you can easily see what's inside without opening every container looking for something. If you've ever played the "what's in this container" game in the fridge, you know exactly what I mean. Another feature I appreciate is that the containers are designed so you can prep food, store it, and then reheat it in the same container. That means less transferring food around and fewer dishes piling up. The locking lids are another thing I like because they have the snap down sides with silicone seals that help keep everything secure. That's especially nice if you're packing lunches or transporting things like soups, pasta, or sauces. I also noticed that the containers stack really nicely, which helps save cabinet and refrigerator space. Overall, this feels like one of those practical kitchen upgrades that you end up using every single day, and I can definitely see these becoming a regular part of a meal prep or leftover routine.